Here we are going to know the trigonometric formula. Many students have problem in remember the formula of trigonometry. So we are going to, I am going to explain you a trick about the formula of trigonometry. Here is a hexagon. This is a hexagon. In this hexagon, this is sine theta, cos theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta. Okay. This is a horizontal line. By this horizontal line, here all C components, here cos, cot and cosec, and the others are this side from by this horizontal line. Now we are going to take the, this is a clockwise rotation and this is anti-clockwise rotation. By clockwise rotation we are going to give a formula. First one is by clockwise rotation tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Second, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta by cot theta. Third one, cos theta. Cos theta is equal to cot theta by cosec theta. Fourth, next cot theta. Cot theta is equal to cosec theta by sec theta. Fifth one is cot, after that cosec. Cosec theta is equal to sec theta by tan theta. Last one, 6 sec theta. Sec theta is equal to tan theta by sin theta. Tan theta by sin theta. These are the 6 formulae by clockwise rotation. Now other 6. Other 6 by anti-clock. By anti-clock this type. So starting from here, first tan theta is equal to sec theta by cosec theta. Second, sec theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec theta by cot theta. Third one is cosec theta is equal to cot theta by cos theta. Fourth, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Fifth, cos theta is equal to sin theta by tan theta. And the sixth one, last, is after that cos sin. Sin theta is equal to tan theta by sec theta. These are the 6 anti-clock rotation formulae. Now we are got the 12 formula. These are the 12 formula we have completed. Now next formula is, this is the cross line. By this cross line we are getting the formula, 6 formula again. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. 1 by cosec theta. Second, again cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, 1 by sec theta. Third one, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Fourth is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Opposite. Fifth is sec theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. Now 6 is this tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta. Now we have completed the 6 by cross. We have completed 18 formulas. We have completed 18 formula. Now 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus. Now we are going to complete more formula. 3 by opposite multiplication, sine into cos. First one is sine theta into cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1. Second, cos theta into sec theta. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Third is tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now we have completed the 3 more formulae. Now these are the 3 more formulas. Twenty-one formulas are completed. Now we are going to take by this type of rotation, one gap. By multiplying these two, we get this. First one, tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta. Second, sin theta into cot theta. Sin theta into cot theta is equal to sin theta into cot theta is equal to cos theta. Third, cos theta into cosec theta is equal to cot theta. Fourth, this is cos, now cot theta into sec theta. Cot theta into sec theta is equal to cosec theta. Fifth is the cosec theta. This is cosec theta into tan theta is equal to, this is the middle sec theta. Again sixth, sec theta into sin theta is equal to tan theta. Now this is the 6 more formulas. By multiplying this to this, we get this. This to this, we get this. This to this, get this. This to this, this. This is the cross multiplication. By multiplying the one gap in 3, we are doing the 6 formula. Now again, we have completed the 6th formula. Now, by using this complementary angle, this is the horizontal line. We are taking here the horizontal line. We got the 6 more formula by using complementary angle. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Second, cos theta, sorry, this is the complementary angle. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Again, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Third one, by this complementary angle, sec theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Now fourth, opposite direction, cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Fifth, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay. 6, again cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 degree minus theta. Okay, we have got these 6 formula of the complementary angles. Now again we have taken the 6 more formula. How many? This now by taking this dot dot in this, we are going to make a clockwise rotation in this also making clockwise rotation, in this also making clockwise rotation. By this clockwise rotation we are going to take more formulas. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the one. Second, here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Third one, here tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. This is the 3 formula by taking this alternate clockwise rotation in this hexagon. Now we are making this changing the direction anti-clock in the same triangle. Now we get the another 3 formula. First one, starting from here, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Second, here cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Third, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. We have got the 6 more formula of trigonometry by taking these alternate triangles, and in this triangle we have made clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. Now we completed the 6 more formulas. So these are completed all over 39 formula. Now we have completed the 39 formula, and now you have no problem to solve or remember the formula of trigonometry or to understand the formula of trigonometry. Thank you.